Tignan ko dun ah. Balik ka na. Aray ko. Ano? Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Nandito na naman si Boy Gaming, guys.
Rank ulit. Malagbati. Ito yung ibang hero, hindi ko pa ito nagagamit eh. Ito.
Never turn your back on a teammate.
Natalia. Ganda ng Natalia dito guys. Sakit ng damage. Mga ganyan no. Skin. Mabibili ko rin yan guys. Ganda ng line up sa kabila.
Welcome to Arena of Valor. Prepare to engage. My path is
Hehe.
bones and blood.
Sarap ng buhay. Ang ganda dito. Ito makunat tong kalabang ko eh. Pero walang makunat-kunat sa akin. First blood ka agad. Grabe. Wala. Ayun. Alam ko nandiyan ka, boy. Tinamaan ka, boy. Ano? Sapul. Alright.
Look at me. I'm in charge now.
Yung tank namin yung dumadalaw.
I see all.
An enemy has been defeated.
Masakit to eh. Kabisado ko to gamitin guys. Yang hero na yan. Si Lobo.
Dragon and Slayer have appeared.
Ano? Yan mo eh. Ganda rin yan guys na hero. Wala pa ako niyan.
Enemy has been defeated.
I'm in
3
charge
hero.
now.
An enemy has been defeated.
Mga agresibo yung ano ko. Oh, baka ako punta ni. Lang. Tago muna tayo dito.
Dragon has been defeated.
Sigurado dadala. May dadalaw yan dito guys. Yan o. Baka pupuntahan guys. Sabi sa'yo eh. Maglalim ka kasi. Kalma ka lang boy. Laro lang.
Kills for thrills. Retreat.
Retreat muna ka dyan sa mid. Yan na, yan na. Nanonood muna tayo dun sa ano nila. Yari.
Enemy has been defeated.
Tatlo pa naman eh. Laka. Laka.
Our Dragon Lane
Tignan ko
tower
dun, ah.
is under attack.
Yari ka na. Aray ko. Ano?
You
Sinasabi ko
have
sa'yo.
an enemy.
2-0. Milk. Inom tayo guys. Para lumusog ang buhay. Doon sila naman sa baba. Babaral bagay.
Kills for throws.
Babaral bagay sa baba.
Defense line has disappeared. Send in the ballista.
Kunin ko to.
Your team
Kunin ko
has
to.
destroyed a tower.
Yan na.
Set to all wrongs.
Atak na atak.
Attack.
Alam niya na nandyan ako eh. Ano? Aray. Lusaw ka.
Ultimate.
Diba? Sakit ang damage guys. Lusaw.
Our Dragon Lane tower is under
Aray
attack.
ko nandyan na. Eh salamat. Wala ko. Assist din.
Onslaught.
Sakit ng damage ko guys. Lusaw.
Your team has destroyed a
salamat.
tower.
Galing. Pabilisan lang talaga ang kamay dito ng pindot. Wala akong mana boy. Lang. Oh. Sunog eh.
Your team
Wala kasi
has
lobo. Hindi ko
destroyed a
tinamaan.
tower.
Wala akong mana kos. Wala kawawa yung mage namin doon. Pero makakakill pa. Wala. Ayan. Si pasok. Palalim ako. Napalalim ako guys. Tara push. Sapul.
Enemy has been defeated.
Sapul. Wait lang. Wait lang. Pahingin ng milk. Yan sa story namin. Sa story sa mid. Akin lang yan, idol. Aray mo. Sige lang.
Set to all wrongs.
Yayariin ako nito ni Lobo.
Has been excellent.
Uwi talaga, no choice. Retreat.
Retreat.
Nood muna tayo sa kanilang balagbagan. Sakit ng damage. Inikawatan. Mautak yung core namin sa pool.
An enemy has been
Double kill.
defeated.
Our Dragon Lane tower is under attack.
Pinasok ko. Sa pool, sa pana.
Ally has
Yari.
been defeated. An enemy has been defeated. Your tower has been destroyed.
Set to all wrongs. Exorcism.
Tingnan mo naman guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Pag nagdidip, sama-sama sila. Pero sama-sama din sa akin nandito. Sama-sama din sila nandito sa akin. Dito na. I-race back na.
Our Slayer Lane tower is
Yari kayo
under
ngayon.
attack.
Sa barangay kami guys.
Your team has
Ano?
destroyed a tower. An enemy has been defeated.
Muntik na ako dun ah.
Dragon and Slayer have evolved. Cannoneers have spawned.
Mapa guys. Tulong tayo. Victory. Nice. Mapa. Sige, pasok. Sa ulo. Retreat. Talagang binabakbak talaga.
Destroyed a tower.
Trying to run away. Our Slayer Lane tower is under attack.
Tulong. Salamat.
An enemy has been defeated. Your
Tara,
tower
tara.
has been destroyed.
Tak. Tapusin na. Aray ko, tapusin mo na. Nice. Salamat. Tapos guys, talagang matinding baral bagay guys. Matinding baral bagay. Ayos talaga. Hindi pa yung XP na may gold. 4 yung kill ko eh. Ano pa man. Dalawang lister mo na. Sakit nito eh.